Welcome back. On this video, we will see the blasting breaker. Don't try this at home. The personnel preparing to on or energize the breaker. This is main breaker. And then it blasts. We will see on this photo, it is blasting. And what is that? Why it is happening? They replaced existing main breaker, conduct insulation test and found good. No shorted as per multi-tester. Caution, this panel is 400 volt AC. Ready to energize again after replacing all breaker. All load are off. Only main breaker and bus bar are energized. And then blast again. Why? Shorted bus bar is suspected. Busbar insulator is the cause of this problem. Need to replace this immediately. Oil and dust can cause the poor insulator. Replaced insulator, re-energized breaker, and replacing insulator and found good. The funnel is energized without any trouble. Lesson: always conduct regular preventive maintenance to correct this kind of problem. Sympathize with each other, love each other as brothers and sisters. Be tender-hearted and keep a humble attitude. 1 Peter 3:8. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep safe and God bless us all.